guys, it's Christina from Redefine Creative, and I am here with another project for Paper House Productions. And I am playing along with some of their kind of travel and world exploration collections and items today. And so I have this kind of silly 4x4 photo, and it's this Mountain Dew bottle in our rental car when we just got back from a trip to upstate New York. And so my kids always laugh at me when we get off the airplane because none of the airlines serve Mountain Dew, which, if you know me, is like my one vice, and we'll call it that. And so they always crack up because I'm always looking for like a vending machine or a gas station or somewhere that I can grab a Mountain Dew when we get off the airplane. And so we found a vending machine in the airport in Syracuse, and they were cracking up because this year Mountain Dew has these new bottles that are like one for each state, and we ended up with a New York one. So the kids were like, "Oh my gosh, even the Mountain Dew is welcoming you to New York, Mom." And they thought it was so funny. So that's kind of the story that I'm documenting today. So I grabbed this Explore Your World pattern paper, which is going to be the background that has these little airplanes on it. And then I'm creating a couple of my own tags because I want to be able to tell this story. So I know I need a little bit more journaling room than just like putting a caption under a photo. And I also went ahead and fussy cut all of these little luggage tags that came off of one of the pattern papers in that same Explore Your World collection. And I do have all the links to all of these products down below if you want to check out any of them, if you've been doing some road tripping or traveling and things this summer as well. So I went ahead and added a sticker from that cardstock sticker sheet, and this is the one that goes with the collection that just has the suitcases down at the bottom. So that's going to kind of be my horizontal element at the bottom of the page where my journaling is going to go. And then what I wanted to do was kind of create another really strong horizontal line where rather than using pattern paper, I'm lining up all of my embellishments to kind of create this border idea. So all of those little pieces I fussy cut, I went ahead and put them on some dimensional adhesive so they are popped up off the background to kind of help them stand out. And then I'm going to go ahead and take a bunch of the stickers. So these are the faux enamel stickers, and then there's some puffy stickers and all kinds of different things that I'm going to pull in to kind of keep embellishing that area. So I really want it to look almost like it's a pattern paper border, but it's created completely with embellishments. So I went ahead and lined up my title down here at the bottom, and I'm using a Pink Fresh Alpha, and there's a link to that down below as well for that word welcome. And then the New York Dew is a Bella Boulevard wonky puffy sticker alpha, and there's a link for that too if you need it. So I just wanted this to say New York Dew welcome, and that's going to kind of go along with all of that journaling that I'm going to put on those two tags. So then I'm just kind of going through all of like the puffy stickers, embellishments, trying to figure out exactly where I can add some additional little details. And I tried so hard to get this little camera on here, and I play with it in a whole bunch of different spots, and it does end up making it on the layout eventually. So right next to my title, I have just a little yellow puffy arrow, and then there's a little yellow map, and then I'm putting in a bunch of geotags and arrows and things, kind of making sure that I'm leading everybody back to the photo. So because there's a lot of little details and things going on, I want to make sure that you see the journaling in the title, and I want to make sure that your eye travels to the photo. And so all of my arrows, all of my embellishments are pointing inward on the page. So if you were to take those and flip them over and point them outward, they're very much going to have your eye travel off the page. And that's not what we want. We want you to stay on the page. So all the arrows and things are going to point inward towards my photo. And those little tiny puffy sticker arrows were the exact same size as the airplanes, so I could kind of have them going in different directions, covering up one of those little airplane spots. So then I went ahead and added my story and journaling down here in those tags in the bottom, and I finally got that little puffy sticker camera in there that I wanted to get. And I'm going to go ahead and take my dark blue pen and just kind of go around the outline of the page, and I've been talking about this a lot in my videos lately, how I like that additional little detail, just to kind of make the layout look finished and kind of close everything in. I did decide I didn't want those tags to extend all the way to the bottom of the page. I wanted them to just end underneath the stickers, so I went ahead and trimmed just a bit off the bottom, and that's basically going to do it. Excuse me. So thank you so much for being here and checking out some of these fun products with Paper House Productions, as well as the little details that I added to tell my story. And so I hope you are collecting lots of fun adventure stories this summer as well, and I'll see you soon. Bye.